everyone, I am back. Sorry, it's been a long time since I posted. I have been really busy, but we're playing Ultimate Custom Night. I'm very pissed they did not add Funtime Freddy. So let's just add all the characters I want. I'm gonna add all 20. I want to see if I can do all the characters except Phone Guy except Scott Coffin. Well, so you guys want to have all the characters I want on but see ya in a minute. Okay, I am back. So I guess we should read the history. Lefty. He becomes active from noise and heat. Okay. Often he will attack once per night. Okay. Oh, Scrap Baby. She will appear on the... Ooh, okay. Sorry, I'm not a good reader, but let's start. I got all the characters that I barely knew existed, but I know all their names because I am a FNAF lover. Next video will be me playing Sister Location. They will, okay. No, never mind. Well, let's see. Sorry guys if I'm being boring. It's because I barely play this game anymore. Oh no. Sorry guys. Again. Wow. I have 0 fast break. Well, goodbye guys. Sorry headphone users.
Please come back.
I am very sorry headphone users. I did not know it was going to be that loud. Oh, I have somebody else in the room with me, so I'm kind of embarrassed. Okay. Well, that was a huge fail. This is why you never put Afton on 20. Since he jump scared us, we're going to take him down. Do you guys know this tactic? If they jump scare you, they get out. Yeah. This one's my favorite because she's a jack. She's literally Nightmare. But she's Nightmare Fuel, but just a jack-o'-lantern. Sorry if I didn't say that right. But she throws her jack-o'-lantern at us. So, yeah, let's get started. Katie might appear and she's so annoying. Sorry about the jump scares, head users, so I'm warning you. Do not watch this video if you're wearing headphones or turn it down. Because I do not like. Sorry guys, I'm getting distracted. No, I don't care. I don't like your ads, Mr. Hippo Budding. Ooh, that's very clean. Bear. Now. Boring. Oh. Shoot. We are about to die, everybody.
Yar, who touched me bird?
We only had 70. Yes, I love him. Oh, it's getting too hot. Okay. We know Lefty comes if there is it's hot. Sorry, headphone users. I have warned you. If you guys are deaf now, I'm very sorry. It is not my fault. You guys did not turn your thing down. Well, it's been a great day. Okay, let's read his description. Molten Freddy, he will climb into the vents but can avoid the vent Snare what? Listen for his voice and shut the vent door before he gets through. Oh, that's what happened. Yeah, we're still taking him down. Okay. So, let's go. We're only gonna do 2 more nights and then I'm ending the video off because in 2 hours I have to go back to sleep. Wait, so do we want Lefty here? We want the Lefty. No. Power AC. Then silent. Oh, what? Did you guys see that? Tell me if you guys saw that or am I imagining things? Like I just saw rainbow lights over here. You guys do not get tips off of me because I suck at Ultimate Custom Night. Okay, that was not my imagination. Nothing.
How unfortunate.
I don't like you, Dee.
I know how much you like to fight. So
Oh, she's so boring.
your night.
She's so annoying that she's scary.
Yar, you win some, you lose some. Yar, you play with fire and sometimes you get burned.
He was supposed to help me. I'm mad. He was supposed to help me. I'm mad at you. Wait, I never had him on. Oh no. Oh no. You guys also might have seen me on TikTok. Barely anybody will, because everybody does not like me. I'm gonna just act like I had him on to make things less scary. Okay. I want Lefty to jump scare me. That's why she's on 20. Okay. That night did not count. So it is 12 a.m. in the game, as you guys can see. So I guess we're light. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna place with a machine on me. I feel like barely anybody watches these videos, but I hear scary noises. Oh God! Whoa. Help! Whoa. Diddy! That's scary.
How unfortunate. I know how much you like to fight, so I'll add a new problem to your night.
Okay. Who is it? Okay.
This time, there is more than an illusion to fear.
I don't. That was scary. Like, how did I know he was there? Seriously. I guess I'll play one more night. Yeah. You guys, I'll be playing random games randomly. Like, I'll download random stuff and then I'll play it. And, we are. I forgot who jump scared us. Oh, yeah, it was him. I do not know how I forgot about that. It literally happened 1 second ago. I really want to get jump scared by her, which is Happy Frog, or Lefty, or Scrap Baby. Know what? I'm adding Elizabeth. Elizabeth is technically Circus Baby. So, she dispense ice cream. So if you guys want to see me play Five Nights at Freddy's games, just tell me in the comments. I haven't been getting any comments, so that's why I haven't been doing shout outs. No. I'm taking him off after this. He's putting his back, he throws his eyes in my face. Sorry if this video is long. It is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Crap. Whoa. I'll take pictures of you, girl. It's always. Do you guys see this?
I know how much you like
This is fun.
so we'll add a new problem to
I like
your
this.
night.
Okay. Oh. Aw. I have 0 fastball. Percent ventilation. Okay. That bitch. Can you guys watch Scrap Baby for me? That was beautiful. Did you guys see that? Okay.
Yar, who touched me bird?
Sorry, headphone users.
Hides his claws.
I like him. One of his voice lines are, if you sit around the liver long enough, you'll find the dead body of your enemy. But when that happens, you'll be dead. Cause you starve to death. Unless you bring like 10 million chips, you'll be good. 10 million chips and sodas. Okay. Well, if we get jump scared, oh yeah, I was gonna take him off. So, I have a challenge. If I get jump scared by an Ard, the video ends. So, yeah. The rules are easy and simple. Y'all got me? Okay, let's go. Sorry if this video ends a little bit earlier. Oh, whoa, where the? Bonbon! Bitty Babs! What the fuck are you? You're a marionette? Oh, ew, that looks fucking creepy. The Bitty Babs. This is from Sister Location, except that mask right there, Funtime Freddy, is supposed to be an Ard mask. So we all got this. So if an Ard jump scares us, the video ends. Whoa. Okay. So this works like the normal one. I've never...
How unfortunate. How unfortunate.
If you have that fat beaver,
I'm gonna do a sneaky thing and throw a new
my life is
contender
ruined.
in the ring.
Watch that fat, ugly... That fat green bird was gonna come. Did she move? My sister. I like to watch CD. SB. Now. I'm letting it burn up. So burn her alive. I sound bad, but I want to burn her alive because she wants to chop me with her thingabitting. What is that? Oh, that's her chopper. It's under the desk. It's really hard to see it. Sorry, guys. Plush Trap? She added you? Only didn't have a voice line. Well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.